I am also here to support. This is the cutest thing that I've seen today.
I create all handmade crafts.
Okay. ज्योति बड़ा पुराना नाम मतलब पैसे वसूल हैं इसको लेके तो यार क्यों.
So the pieces that I have you'll not find anywhere else. I can customize according to their body and give them the best look.
My entire collection is all from Jammu and Kashmir.
I think mother-daughter duo. All right, great.
Unique things. I have wine glasses, which is unusual in marble.
हेलो गाइज, नमस्ते जी, राम राम, कैसे हैं आप लोग सब. वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइज. होप कर रहे हैं आप लोग सब एकदम मस्त होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे जी, बिल्कुल हमारी तरह. तो गाइज ऐसे ही रहिएगा. और आज का दिन हमने शुरुआत कर दिया है घर से बाहर निकल के, ये यस, जिसके लिए मैं हमेशा एक्साइटेड रहती हूँ. तो लीजिए फिर देखिए गाइज, हम इस समय हैं गुड़गांव की सबसे महंगी रोड पे. सो यस गाइज, दिस इज द गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. कि ये जो मेरे लेफ्ट साइड आप देख रहे हैं ना, सबसे महंगी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं गुड़गांव की. चलिए फिर डीएलएफ का एक और पार्ट देखते हैं. तो गाइज, आज मैं आपको लेकर जा रही हूँ एक फैशन और लाइफस्टाइल एग्जीबिशन में, जहाँ पे शोकेस होने वाला है लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स इन क्लोथिंग, एक्सेसरीज, होम डेकोर, वेलनेस एंड यस, काफी सारे डिजाइनर्स, ब्रांड्स और स्टाइल एंथुसियास्ट ऑल अंडर वन रूफ. आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं कहीं पर और ये एकदम ही नई जगह है स्पेशली मेरे लिए. मतलब ये है जी DLF Phase 5 एंड वी आर एट द क्लब वीटा. दिस इज इन सेक्टर 54 गुड़गांव और हम आए हैं आज एक स्पेशल ओकेजन पे. जैसे कि आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, बाज़ारे त्योहार लग रखा है गाइस. सो फेस्टिविटीज़ आर वेरी नियर एंड इससे बढ़िया बात क्या हो सकती है कि कोई एग्जीबिशन अरेंज्ड है. और आई एम ऑल्सो हियर टू सपोर्ट my near and dear ones, especially Dr. Shalini. So guys, what's the wait for? Now let's entertain you all and let's celebrate this exhibition. Let's talk to few ladies here who are coming inside and let's know what are their expectations from this exhibition. Hello, hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Preeti.
और so प्रीति, आप किसी को सपोर्ट करने आए हैं यहाँ पे या फिर जस्ट अ वॉक इन?
Yeah, I am supporting Harshita Tutani.
Okay, and what is her stall about?
About clothes.
All right, wow,
Yeah.
amazing. कुछ आपकी स्पेशल कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन है या आप उसके अलावा कोई अपनी तरफ से कुछ एक स्पेसिफिक चीज़ के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे?
Just to explore
Okay,
for
all
my
right.
kid and me only.
All right, great, that's great. Have a great day ahead and have a great exhibition. Thank you so much. So guys, let's start with the stalls right now. And stalls पे कौन कौन है, किसका स्टॉल है, किस बारे में है, इस बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन तो बनता है ना. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा यार कौन से स्टॉल पे क्या था. तो लेट्स टॉक टू फ्यू पीपल हियर. तो सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं हम अपने स्टॉल से, ठीक है. तो डॉक्टर शालिनी आइए प्लीज़ और थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें कि आपके स्टॉल में क्या है, किस बारे में है.
These are scarves, silk scarves. Okay, rupees 500 only. These are Oriflame की perfumes जो आज special 20% off पे हैं. Yes. And we have testers as well.
Okay.
These are wax melts. आप अपने घर में रिलैक्स कर सकते हो with these aromas in this.
Okay.
Aroma therapy जो है, आप अपना इसमें टी लाइट लगाइए और वैक्स मेल्ट्स डालिए. These are the jars which you can
These are all scented.
all aromas. Yes.
So guys, these are all scrunchies you can wear and ये सब handmade है. Don't forget, all these are handmade. ये छोटी छोटी पोटलीज हैं यहाँ पे and these are again handmade, crochet से बनाई हुई हैं. These are all your scarf kind of a thing. You can wear it on your head.
And these are hair clips,
These are hair clips.
hair bands,
Okay.
and these are for your phone.
Yeah, this is the cutest thing that I've seen today. I think this is what I'm going to take for my phone also.
And these are for your judas, like we all make.
Yeah, right. Wow.
And these are for your shirts,
Okay.
like you just hang it.
Okay. All right. Wow, yeah, nice. So some accessories for your phones too.
And these are for kids' necklaces. Like
Okay,
different-
these are jewelry. This is jewelry. Yeah.
Only jewelry.
So these are necklaces here. Wow. So this is it about our stall here. Let's explore some other the other ranges of this exhibition here today. Chalo. So hi guys, yes, we have started with another stall now. We are at another stall. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good, very good. What's your name?
Karishma.
Karishma, hi. So, can you just tell us something about your stall and what is it all about?
So my stall is Crafts by Karishma. So
Okay.
I create all handmade crafts, which involves lippen art, mosaic art, resin art,
Okay.
and also some festive decor like toran and rangoli plates.
All right.
So all your festive needs meet here.
Okay.
Everything is handmade
Okay,
on our
wow.
stall.
Wow, great. That's so nice and so lovely. Actually, इतनी मेहनत देख के ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ यार. Seriously. अच्छा, another thing that I wanted to ask is that is there what is that one thing at your stall, that speciality that you think that people would like to know and why they should come to you?
The speciality is the lippen art. that I
Okay.
do.
And
So
what
this
is it?
takes- So this is a mud art. This is a traditional art from Gujarat.
Okay.
And this is done on the wooden MDF board.
Okay.
And we have to use clay, and then when it dries up, we make designs, use
Okay.
clay, and then we color it.
Okay,
So
wow.
this is what I would like to focus on. So all my products like these boxes are also made up of lippen art only.
Okay, all right.
So we have a lot of lippen products
So are you
here.
yourself are doing
Yes,
it?
yes.
Okay, all right. So this is one thing that you are saying at your stall that makes you more special.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
All right. Wow. Nice. Lovely to see all the stuff and your hard work.
Thank
And
you.
all the very best for today. Thank you. So guys, now let's go to the apparel stall यार. मतलब apparels नहीं cover किए तो क्या किया ना, फिर आ जाओ चलो बात करते हैं. Hi ma'am. Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Abha.
आभा. ओके, तो आभा जी बस 1 मिनट का कुछ पूछने आई हूँ मैं आपसे, बिकॉज एपरल्स और स्पेशली इंडियन वेयर के लिए लेडीज़ आर ऑलवेज अप टू एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर. सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ योर ब्रांड ऑल अबाउट?
My brand is sarees.
Right. Okay.
So, like I have
What all sarees do you have?
from Bengal, from Andhra, from Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
from Gujarat.
Okay. And
From Rajasthan.
what's the range that you're covering here?
Starting 1500 starting
Starting 1500 to max?
to maximum 10,000.
Okay, भाई साहब 10,000 की साड़ी. 16, oh wow.
16.
All right. Another thing that I wanted to ask here is that what is that one thing at your stall that you think that people would like to know and why they should come to your stall only for sarees?
Especially mul cotton sarees.
Okay, and can you show me an example of the same?
Mul cotton sarees.
All right. Okay, so this is what the specialty is, and what is so special about it? Like, I mean,
It's,
we don't get it easily.
Okay. No, this is ideal for summer
Okay, for summers के लिए.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
and working women very light.
Okay, right. So guys, this is a speciality. Do connect with the with Abha ji, and here is the card. चेक कर सकते हैं, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं और आप इन्हें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं अगर आप दिल्ली एनसीआर में हैं बेस्ड तो. थैंक यू. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Nandaka.
Nandika. My lovely name. So, Jyoti. बड़ा पुराना नाम. Anyways, so first of all, what is the stall and what is your brand all about?
So the brand name is Fine Box. We cater to customized cakes, we do baked goods, breads, all sorts of varieties.
Alright.
And today we have an assortment of sweet treats. We have
Okay.
cookies, to mini cakes,
Alright.
to cake slices, as well as muffins and brownies.
Okay.
And for savory, we have a whole wheat lavash with hummus as well.
Alright.
And
Okay.
all of these are very popular selling items on our menu.
Absolutely.
So, but one of the most popular ones I would recommend is the chocolate truffle.
Okay.
Because we use all natural ingredients, no preservatives.
Okay.
So, and we take pre-orders.
All
so
right, okay.
we cater to your customizations, your personal
Okay.
taste and everything, and
Okay.
that's how it works.
All right. Nice. Lovely. That's truly lovely. इतना मीठा एक ही टेबल पे. That's lovely. Wow. Speciality that I was talking about, that what is that one speciality that you have on your stall is the chocolate truffle. Sorry.
The truffle
Okay.
cake.
So this is a speciality, guys.
Yeah.
So do connect with them.
Yeah.
And that's the
And you
Instagram
can,
link.
yeah, all right. So आप जाइए और यहाँ से अपने ऑर्डर प्लेस करिए. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And all the best for today. Sorry. So hi guys, we are at another stall. This is a jewelry brand, and let's talk to the owner of the brand herself. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Toral.
Toran. Wow.
Toral.
Toral. All right. Different name and a lovely name actually. So Toral, first of all, we would like to know what is your brand all about and what is there at your stall.
Okay.
So my brand's name is Silverina, and my brand deals with 92.5 pure silver jewelry products. And I'm a designer myself, so a lot of things over here have been designed and curated by me. And I work not only with artisans from Jaipur, I work with artisans from the south also. For example, if you look at this neck piece, this is a Gutta Pusalu from the south. So this setting is very different, and it is not done anywhere else, but it is just done in the south. And the pearls that you see are real pearls. They won't chip, fade, natural occurring, and these are the same ones used in gold jewelry. Another feature of this jewelry is it is reversible. So yeah, so you can wear it like this also, and you can wear it like this also.
दिस इज समथिंग राइट मतलब पैसे वसूल हैं इसको लेके तो यार, क्योंकि एक्चुअली इसका जो दूसरा साइड है ना, दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन वेयर आई थिंक विद एवरी आउटफिट, एवरी कलर आउटफिट एक्चुअली.
This is a necklace from Jaipur. This is our own Indian heritage art, Chitai art. My jewelry is made with different arts. I mean, it has different art made by different artisans. So this is jewelry from Maharashtra. These are made by the artisans. This is Kolhapuri silver. I also have a lot of kids jewelry. That's a major segment that I have.
Okay, so एक और टेबल है guys.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cute.
I also have a lot of imported jewelry. Like this is enamel, so Italian, Turkish. You can see this.
This is very pretty. I really love this actually. Would you just tell me one thing that you have at your stall, which people should come and see and they feel that ये कहीं और नहीं मिल रहा है.
My designs, you can see them over here. So you can see, for instance, this pearl earrings. I can guarantee you won't find it anywhere online or offline. Designed by me. Look at the interesting, patterns I've created with different shapes and sizes of pearls. So see, this is a peridot, while the middle portion is an abalone shell pearl.
Okay.
And this is the pendant.
Okay, all right.
So it's a set.
Is also allowed. What is the range, that is the starting range and the highest range that you have at your stall?
So starting range can be something like $600.
And what is the 600 wala product that you have?
600 wala product is mainly, I have little earrings for children to wear, even adults can wear. So they are like sui dhaga earrings. You can put it over here and it comes out from the other end.
Okay.
So I have those also. Okay. Another thing I forgot to mention is this. This is what I'm really proud of. This is made in India, Jaipur art. It is called Chitai art. Here.
Okay, all right. Okay.
I'm very proud of them because they are made in India, and this is our art, and I wish everybody wears them so that it doesn't die and the artisans feel motivated to keep making them.
Okay, nice, lovely. What is this that you're wearing?
Again, this is also Chitai. See, as I said, I love it. So this is also Chitai art piece.
All right.
I've made it a smaller version because I generally like smaller ones.
And the longer one,
This is Doli Mala.
Acha, okay, right. Okay, nice, lovely, very pretty.
Thank you.
So Toran, it was lovely talking to you. The only last thing that I would like to know out here is that, see, we all are meeting here because of the Glamour company, right? So what is your experience with them, and is it the first experience with them that you have, or like you are quite old, acquaintance with them?
Yeah, I have acquainted to Shalini. She's like a friend. She's a friend, not like a friend, more than a friend, I would say. And I've come participated for the first time. But I really appreciate the efforts they have done for everybody. Be it crowd pulling, choosing location, timing, everything. See, because for an event to be successful, all of these things are important. The timing, the location, and the onus of crowd pulling. But they have done their bit. They have distributed pamphlets. They have done quite a lot of, and that's something I really appreciate.
It's like vice versa, even for them and for us as well. So it was lovely talking to you, Toral, and we would like to wish you all the very best for today. Your stuff is really amazing. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thanks so much, and I appreciate the efforts you take in, talking to all of us.
Thanks a lot. So guys, we have the lucky draw here.
One. Stall number 19. Who's stall number 19?
Wow. Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Divya.
What's your name?
Color.
So both of you are with this stall?
Yes.
All right. So just wanted to know first of all that what is all your brand about?
So our brand is called Gold Dust, So the jewelry that we cater to is all handmade jewelry. Half of it is in brass, gold plated, and the rest of it is handmade in fabric, textile.
It's lovely. या मेरी नज़र भी इन्हीं पे ही पड़ी है एक्चुअली. मुझे लगा ये पता नहीं क्या रखा है. ओके. So these are rings, like these are the ones that they are saying gold plated, right?
On brass.
Okay, all right. Nice, lovely. So just one other thing that I wanted to ask is that what is that one speciality of your brand out here that you would like others to know, and why should they come to you, only you, for the jewelry actually?
Because our collection is very unique, because the pieces that we have are not mass produced, they're not imported, so everything is made here in India. So the pieces that I have you'll not find anywhere else. So if you're looking for something unique and you want to stand out from the crowd, please visit us.
All right. So thank you so much and all the best for the day. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, very good.
May I know your name, please?
Sumit.
So, Sumit ji, just wanted to know first of all, what is your brand all about? What's the stall about? And what is one unique thing that you have on your stall that people should be coming to your stall and be taking all the paintings from here? Why?
Okay, so everything that you see here is all AI generated. It's all generated using artificial intelligence, and what we do is we have generated more than 7,000 paintings, and then we've curated a pool of about 600, of which only 200 are live right now. Some of our paintings are like the paper art prints.
Okay.
These are all imported paper from Europe and US. What we are seeing is we're seeing a huge requirement for the
Ganpati ji.
Ganesha. These are all uncoated paper.
Usually, like if I talk about Ganpati ji, how much time does it take for one painting to get ready?
See, it's a AI generated thing. So we have to try multiple times. We have to sometimes try about 100 runs to get the right painting.
Correct. Well, I do not have much of interest in the paintings, but then though they're looking lovely. Beautiful, I must say, actually.
Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the best for the day. Hi sir, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Elvin and my brand name is Earth and Oak.
Okay, oh wow, lovely. Alright, and so you just tell me something about your brand first.
Sure. So we are into home decor and fashion accessories. Our home decor has bed sheets, dohas, quilts, baby quilts, quilted bed covers, and these are all made by artisans. So this is all handmade. So we work directly with artisans and we get them made. Like this is a hero product. This is from bamboo. So it's very sustainable and very light.
What are the ranges of the same?
So our stoles starts from 1599.
Okay.
This is a bamboo for 2199. Pure silk, which is for 3599.
Yeah, I was about to ask you the same thing. That what is that one special product at your stall that you think that people should be coming for?
So one is pure muslin dohas and throws for your sofas and armchair. This is again handcrafted, handmade.
Okay.
This is priced at 5,500. We also have a website which is www.earthandoak.in. So we just went live. So this is
So guys, this is the card and you can just take a screenshot of the same and follow them on Insta. Take a screenshot again. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, very good. What's your name?
Harshita.
So, Harshita, we are at your stall here and we would like to know first of all what is what is your stall all about, or what is your brand all about?
My brand is all about ethnic wear. We're into heavy Indian. I make heavy Indian collection.
Okay, all right. And I would like to ask that what is that one speciality of your actually brand or stall that you would like other people to know about it, and why should all actually present here, they should come to your stall? Why?
Because I think I can customize according to their body and give them the best look.
All right. Wow, lovely. And what is the range that you're covering, like?
My starting range is 15,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can go up to?
1 lakh, 2 lakh.
Okay.
Yeah. We are into heavy wear.
Okay. Kind of.
Basically for trousseau and for groom's mother.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Trousseau collection.
All right. Fine. Thank you so much and for talking to us, and all the best for today.
Thank you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Aditya.
So Aditya would like to know first of all that what is your brand all about, and what is the speciality, I would say, that your brand carries?
So actually, my business is like my forefather started this business, and I am the
Okay.
third generation serving this
Wow.
line. And we specialize in various products. Like these are the Eco Series product we have
Okay.
launched right now,
Okay.
and basically it is made up of rices and wood and recycled plastic, 60%. Yeah, sure.
It's very lightweight. So these are all planters. right?
Yeah, all
So
planters. These are self-watering planters.
Okay.
You can put water in it,
Okay.
and slowly the water will get into the plants
Wow, wow,
easily.
amazing.
And
Okay.
these all are naturally dried flowers and plants.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so I mean, one special thing that you have is
It's the pots,
which box?
Eco Series.
Okay, these ones.
Yeah,
Okay.
these
okay.
ones.
So guys, this is the card. This is the name. Please follow them. The online handle is also available. Do follow them. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Deepti this side.
Okay. Hi.
Goldie this side.
So both of you are running this stall together, all right? And since how long is this brand?
We had
there?
just started our business. You can say it's 2 months back.
Okay, all right. What is that one special thing in your brand that you think that people would like to know, and why should they come to you only for purchasing?
I think our brand pieces are really trendy.
Okay.
That goes with the trends, today's trends, and that's the speciality of us.
Okay, all right. Fine. Thank you so much for talking to us, and all the best for today.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So this brand is by the name of Urban Trends, and you can follow them here, and you have the Insta IDs. The QR code is mentioned. You can just take a screenshot and follow. So guys, they're online also available. So तब तो बनता ही है. QR code scan करो फटाफट और online orders place करो. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
Very well. Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm Richa, and brand is called Bellamore.
Okay.
We are into handcrafted marble gift items. So yeah,
Okay. And since how long have you been doing this?
we are just 6 months old into this business.
कोई बात नहीं, सब 2-3 महीने के भी हैं. It's okay.
Everything is handcrafted.
Okay, all right.
And we have some unique products like jewelry boxes, and we have some coasters. Everything we sell comes in a curated gift box like this.
Okay.
So yeah, it's more of a gifting experience that we are trying to procure.
Alright, so one last thing that I want to ask is that what is that one special thing in your brand that you think that people would like to know, and why should people out here, they should come to you for the marble stuff?
One, I don't think anybody is there into marble. Marble is not a very common thing people pick up because it's obviously a hard product. Marble is a unique gift because it brings good luck, and it is beautiful. It is handmade. It is made with love. Our brand's name is Bellamore, which is beautiful love. So we are trying to tell people to pick up beautiful love.
Any one thing that you would suggest me? This is the best selling product that you should take.
Well, my hot product are my coasters. And then I have some beautiful jewelry boxes. Actually, this is a unique
I
product.
thought these are coasters only.
No, this is a unique product. This is a jewelry box made with one stone.
Okay.
Single stone, there are no joints.
Okay, alright.
So, yeah. So, unique things. I have wine glasses, which is unusual in marble.
Yeah, right.
So, this is a set of wine glasses.
Wow.
So, yeah, different things, unique products.
For me, guys, the unique thing over here is the marble plus wooden coasters, because marble के साथ wood मिलना is something very unusual. How is your experience with the Glamour company who is organizing this event? And first of all, have you been connected with them before this also?
So Glamour is my first experience, and I'm honestly very happy. And I especially like their transparency of working, the way they keep you all in the loop. They've created a group where people know what's happening. They keep posting instructions. They've created reels for us. They've created videos for us to help us advertise about ourselves. So yeah, I'm happy with Glamour.
Alright, great to know that. Thanks, Richa, for introducing us to this amazing stuff.
Thank you.
And all the best to you for the day. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Rashi.
Okay, Rashi, I would like to know first of all, what is your brand all about and what are you selling out here?
या मेरे ब्रांड का नेम है एपेक्स सिल्वर ज्वेलरी. ओके एंड आई एम आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो. तो मेरा आर्ट इंस्टिक बाय राशि के नाम से है. एंड अभी मैं जो यहाँ पर सेल कर रही हूँ वो सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एंड पेंटिंग्स दोनों कर रही हूँ.
Okay, wow. So paintings are your own handmade paintings?
Yes, all made by me.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, and all handmade.
Okay, and this is all silver jewelry out here.
Yeah, pure silver, 9 to 5.
All right. And would like to ask one more thing, that what is that one special thing at your stall that you think that other people should know, and why should they come to your stall for only the silver jewelry?
एक्चुअली जो मेरी जो कलेक्शन है एंड जो डिज़ाइनिंग है वो आई थिंक मतलब आई एम श्योर कि कस्टमर्स ने कभी देखा ही नहीं होगा कि सिल्वर ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Oh, really?
रियली
Okay.
मेरे
Any one
पास
piece that you think that you can show me is like?
या श्योर. अब मेरे पास टिफनी भी है,
Okay.
शनैल भी है एंड मेरे
Okay.
पास काफ़ी ब्रांड्स हैं.
Okay, all right.
या
Okay.
एंड जैसे आप ये देखिए, ये एंकलेट है.
Okay.
या अभी तक आपने एंकलेट सिर्फ दूसरे डिज़ाइन में देखी होंगी एंड ये देखिए, ये सिल्वर एंकलेट है.
So this is silver plus gold also, I can see, and
नो
copper
मैम,
also.
नहीं, ये प्योर सिल्वर है.
अच्छा.
या
all right.
और इसके ऊपर ये पॉलिश हुई हुई है.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So guys, see. ऐसा देखा है आपने कभी? नहीं ना? All right. So आपको यहीं मिलेगा. We all are meeting here because of the Glamour company, right? So how is your experience with them, and is it your first experience, or have you been, have you met them before as well?
या मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम किया है ग्लैमर कंपनी के साथ एंड शालिनी, गीतांजलि एंड गोपिका एंड ऑल आर वेरी नाइस. मतलब सब इतना ज़्यादा सब कर रहे हैं कि मैंने बहुत सारी एग्जीबिशंस लगाई हैं गुड़गांव में, बट कोई भी बार बार आकर ये नहीं पूछता सब ठीक है, आपका सेल कैसा हो रहा है. एंड इन्होंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट बहुत की है.
हाँ, ये मुझे किसी और से भी सुनने
या
को मिल
मैंने
रहा है.
अभी तक किसी भी मतलब एग्जीबिशन में नहीं देखा कि कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहा है. मैंने मेरे ही ब्रांड को इतना ज़्यादा फोकस किया है इंस्टा पे कि आई वाज शॉक्ड कि वाओ, रियली.
अगर ऐसा किसी से सुनने को, ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ये यहाँ के
और
स्टॉल
मैं
बोल रहे
अभी
हैं.
नहीं, मैंने इनके साथ आगे जो इनके फ्यूचर में जो इनके 1-2 और हैं इनके एग्जीबिशन मैंने ऑलरेडी बुक कर दिया है इनके साथ.
वाई नॉट, कौन नहीं करेगा ना. अगर ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मिले यार, तो आपका मन बार बार करता है कि उसी के साथ काम करो आप.
यहाँ पर सब बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव है. एंड इनका सबसे प्लस पॉइंट मैंने किसी भी एग्जीबिशन में नहीं देखा कि ये हर 2 आवर्स के बाद एक लकी ड्रॉ भी निकाल रहे हैं.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, ये तो मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम
के
देखा है,
लिए.
क्योंकि एग्जीबिशन में नहीं होता ये.
Yes.
बिल्कुल
और,
भी.
इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में जिनका 5000 से ऊपर की वो थी, परचेजिंग थी या सेल थी, तो वो वेंडर्स को भी गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं. मुझे भी उन्होंने गिफ्ट दिया. या
वाओ, दिस इज, हाँ एक्चुअली मैंने भी नहीं सुना ये कभी पहले.
मैंने कभी भी किसी भी एग्जीबिशन में ये नहीं किया. नहीं, ऑल ओवर एक्सपीरियंस मेरा बहुत अच्छा है.
Lovely talking to you, and we would love to hear more about the exhibition and your stall again in future as well. All the very best to you for the day.
Thank you.
Hello, hi ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Ravleen.
And what's your name, ma'am?
I'm Meena.
Alright, so I think mother-daughter duo? Alright, great. So first of all, ma'am, you're looking too lovely and your hair are like awesome. मैं बहुत देर से नोटिस कर रही थी, बट मौका नहीं मिला बोलने का, तो मुझे लगा मैं स्टॉल पे जाके बात करूँगी, वो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. Anyways, first of all, you are looking too pretty in white as well. Don't mind that I've called ma'am only beautiful. So guys, we've come here to the stall, and first of all, ma'am, what's the name of your stall?
It's Ina and Ravleen. Ina and Ravleen.
Okay, fine. Wow, lovely. All right. So I would like to know first of all that what is that one speciality of your brand that you feel that people are why people should come to you for any product?
Because the first thing I always say, I have anything and everything for all age groups, for all physiques. I mean, so anybody and anyone can come. It's not you just have to have a good figure,
Exactly.
So we have for all age groups and for all kind of physiques.
All right, lovely. And I can see variety of things displayed here. So another question that's coming to my mind is that you are dealing in all the western wear and the ethnic wear both, or like what is it about?
Yes, it's Indo-Western, Western. So I tell you anything and everything we have.
That was rightly said. Actually, मैंने गलत कर दिया ये question पूछ के. Anyways, the last question that I would like to ask you is that I would like to know that how is your experience as stall exhibitors here?
I think so far we've got a good clientele and people appreciating and got a good footfall, classy people coming over, and then I think we've had a good experience. The first time we've exhibited.
Okay, so it is with the first time.
Yeah.
All right, fine. So all are like saying that they're amazing, and they're very cooperative in
I was about to say
terms.
they're very helpful because the first time we entered, she said, "Ma'am, you need anything? You want
Okay.
any help? Or are you alone?" So the way they spoke up was
Yeah, right.
quite-
That's exactly what everybody wants,
it's quite
wherever you
comforting.
go. Fine. So that was nice talking to you, and all the best, very best to you guys for the stall today, and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.
And of course, we do exhibitions, so we get new customers. Via
So here
that.
only you are doing exhibitions here in Gurgaon only?
Yeah, mostly in Gurgaon. We've
Okay.
tried Delhi, but we found Gurgaon to be
Much better.
much better.
वो तो है ही है, हमारा Gurgaon much better है.
We are closer, not to them.
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
Delhi is the distance makes all the difference. so
Absolutely,
it's-
yeah. All right. Nice. Thank you so much for talking to me. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Gagan. I'm the founder for Kashmirian by Gagan.
Okay. All right. Wow. So.
And as you can see, my entire collection is all from Jammu and Kashmir because I belong to Jammu.
Oh wow, you're looking like actually. Well, as you just said that you're specifically dealing all the Jammu and Kashmir stuff.
Exclusive Kashmir.
Okay. So we have parents and all and everything that they have. Right?
So you see, people don't have an idea that Kashmiri collection also has summer collection. So all this
Yeah,
while
right.
people have been asking, they only relate Kashmiri collection with winter,
winter hoga,
but that is
हाँ.
not the case anymore.
Correct.
Fashion is changing.
Yeah,
so are
right.
the karigars also.
Absolutely.
So they keep on experimenting with new stuff. So we have
Okay.
introduced cord sets,
Okay.
kaftans.
Okay.
So anything new, they're experimenting with.
So just another thing that I wanted to ask is that what is that one special thing that you have at your stall today?
See, one very special thing that I have is I'm the only one in Kashmiri apparels that has introduced a cravat set.
Okay. And
So
what
that is
it
like cravat is like for the gent and matching scarf for the lady with handmade chinar.
Okay,
So nobody in
alright.
Kashmiri collection has introduced this so far because I've
Okay.
done it on semi pashmina, like high quality semi pashmina with
Oh,
handmade
alright.
chinar. So scarves, stoles are still there,
Yeah,
but this is
right.
not there. So this is the uniqueness,
not
and
even
chinar,
heard
like
about
you
it.
know, is the essence of Kashmir.
Absolutely.
So everything will have chinar, but this is the main highlight of Kashmiriyat by Gagan specifically.
Okay. Wow. How is it so far that your experience has been with them?
This is my first experience, and I think so far so good. Yes.
All right. Fine. So
Just
are you?
waiting for the rest of the day to see how it goes? But
Absolutely.
as of now, yes.
No,
it's
evening.
been
I am sure evening will be a
Yes, normally
better
it's the
footfall
is in the evening.
because it's Saturday.
But I'm very happy.
Yeah, all right. Nah, that's really nice to hear about it. Have a great day ahead.
so
All
much.
the
You
best
too.
about
Thank
everything.
you. Thank you.
Now let's talk about the experience of this exhibition. And, how's your experience with them? And is it the first time that you're experiencing their hospitality, or like you've been with them before as also?
Yeah, hi. So, yes, it's overall my first experience with Glamour Company, and it's my first exhibition. And I'll say the experience has been quite good.
Okay.
Organizer's point of view, I was in touch with Gopika. Gopika was quite cooperative for any doubts that I had. Whenever I texted her, she was on point. She never delayed the text and replying. So everything was quite perfect. The organizing and everything is just on point. I really had a good experience here.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing your experience, because that's exactly what the organizers would always want to hear. I've been hearing the same thing from almost all the stall owners. So that's a really good feedback for them. So thank you so much, Glamour Company, once again. Thank you. और ये देख लो, कुछ लेट लतीफ पीपल इतनी लेट आए हैं। सुबह का अवतार कुछ और था इनका, यहाँ का अवतार कुछ और है। एंड गाइस, हमने करी है कुछ शॉपिंग और ये लिया है कंचन भाभी ने। वाओ, क्यूट पोटली। अरे वाह वाह, दिस इज
Cutie pie.
दिस इज अ पेंडेंट ना?
This is pendant.
ओह वाह, तो ये चेन में ही डालने के लिए ना? ओके फाइन, थैंक यू।
हमारे को कोई आइडियाज नहीं आते।
गाइस मैंने यहाँ से लिया है फोन के लिए ये चार्म, टेडी बेयर लिया है क्यूट सा।
And this is a gift for you.
Oh my God, thank
For
you so
covering
much,
us.
Shalini ji. Thank you. This is a cute candle that Shalini ji has given.
इसकी पेमेंट मैंने करी हुई है।
देखो जरा। यार अभी भी मुझे कुछ चैनल इन्होंने अपना ही दिया है, मेरा नहीं दिया है। राइट, मजाक कर रही हूँ, वो सही चीज़ में मान लेना, ठीक है। यार कैंडल दिए क्यूट सी, थैंक यू शालिनी जी। तो अब चल रहे हैं। ओके, सो गाइस द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द इवेंट जो कि है एग्जीबिशन के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, एंड उनसे मिलाती हूँ आपको, बिकॉज उनसे नहीं मिले तो भाई एग्जीबिशन में दोबारा कैसे आओगे, है ना। तो गाइस यहाँ है हमारी गोपिका जी। हेलो गोपिका जी, हेलो शालिनी जी, एंड यस सुदीप जी, और ये है ओके फाइन। सो दीज आर द इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, इनसे मिलिए, इनको मत भूलिए। एंड दो प्रिटी लेडीज़ इतनी ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रही हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, and this was a lovely exhibition, I must say, because everybody has given a lovely feedback जो आपको मेरे vlog में देखना पड़ेगा। We hope to meet you once again soon, and I will be very glad to be a part of any other event that you organize.
Mascara or lipstick?
You don't need that. You don't need that.
You see, that's why I missed out on that one, huh?
ऑलराइट, ये देख लो भाई, एंड तू देख लो अब यहाँ पे ना किसको लगाना है मस्कारा और लिपस्टिक, ये सोचो आप। एनीवेज, सो थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन, एंड फॉर द लवली इवेंट। थैंक यू शालिनी जी, एंड यहाँ से आया था उसी मुझे, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग, एंड लवली मीटिंग यू गोपिका जी। थैंक यू सो मच। एंड गाइस हमने करी है कुछ शॉपिंग, और ये लिया है कंचन भाभी ने, वाओ क्यूट पोटली। अरे वाह वाह, दिस इज
Cutie pie.
दिस इज अ पेंडेंट ना।
This is pendant.
ओह वाओ, तो ये चेन
हमारे को कोई आइडियाज नहीं आते।
गाइस मैंने यहाँ से लिया है फोन के लिए ये चार्म, टेडी बेयर लिया है क्यूट सा।
And this is a gift for you.
Oh my God, thank
For
you so
covering
much,
us.
Shalini ji. Thank you. This is a cute candle that Shalini ji has given. Very candle, yes. Cute सी, thank you Shalini ji. तो अब चल रहे हैं हम यहाँ से। So guys, it's time to leave the exhibition, and I've had a lovely time, and I hope कि आप लोगों को भी exhibition बहुत अच्छी लगी हो। तो अगर आप गुड़गांव दिल्ली एनसीआर से हैं, ज़रूर विजिट करिए जब यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन होती हैं। मैं स्टोरीज़ पे तो डाल ही देती हूँ, सो आई होप आपको यहाँ पे स्टॉल्स अच्छे लगे हों, एंड डू ट्राई एंड यू नो विजिट दीज स्टॉल्स, वेबसाइट्स एंड द इंस्टा लिंक। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस ब्लॉग। मिलेंगे आपसे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय। जिसका भी स्टैंडर्ड लाना है लाओ, लाओ लाओ।